Actually, I want to add why most of my friends' children are not joining their parents' business. बच्चा बोलता है यार parent का किटकिट बहुत है. And I told Chinmay, just get out of this box. I don't want to put you in my box. What not multinational companies? Yeah. They even don't know me. It is all came with his contact and his efforts. हमारे गुरु जी थे उन्होंने भी सिखाया था where I was working 1000 दिन stay with your business for 1000 days, whatever, on a small bike or a cycle or bicycle. Stick to it and you will buy a car one day.
एक मैंने कहावत कहीं पढ़ी थी, that son is successful who does not flaunt his father's big car but shows his own small car.
But the service fee what he used to charge was very less. According to me, that was like peanuts.
It's a line that he drew. A MD doctor cannot be charging at MBBS. So he taught me that, yeah, dad, you are a MD.
Yeah.
So you must not be that go cheap, you know.
We are here with an interesting jodi, father-son who believe in the travel business, but think about it, a niche travel business called visas. When Vipul Shahji started the visa office in 1986, this is unreal. Travel was a different dynamic industry that time, and he found his faith in visas. And most importantly, the story is about Chinmay, his son, who said in the 21st century, I believe in your product, I believe in the business of travel, and it is for me here to stay. We at Remarkable express our deepest gratitude to Excel Software Consultancy for showing tremendous faith in young minds of our travel industry, of the travel trade, and he and the company Excel Software Consultancy believes that they are all born to excel. He is completely committed to his legacy business and most importantly has absolute faith that travel is here to stay. We are here with this amazing family, Vipul Shahji and Chinmay Shah. Chinmay, Dad didn't give you anything easy. He put you at the grassroots as an implant in Wipro Industries. He felt कि सब कुछ easy नहीं मिलेगा, पहले जाके line worker जैसे काम करना. So he put you as an implant. Vipul, what was your feeling that you were in a corporate world? Though you were doing immigrations visa, but still you tasted the corporate world. But still one fine day dad asked you, Chinmay, क्या decide कर रहे हो? Travel business में completely आना है. That moment, what did you feel?
It was something very strange. I was working with Wipro for 2 years, and he always wanted that, what I have seen when I used to do visas 20 years back, and, standing in the line for visas and understanding. So he wanted me to take it my own way and establish me in the industry in my own way. And when he asked me, I said, I think this is good. I like what I do here. I'm sure I like what I'll do there. So immediately I thought, let's leave this and I want to start my own. Whatever you're doing, let's increase tenfold and start something new with the travel. I mean, visas, he was always into B2B. I wanted to start B2C and various things which we started after I came. So it was very nice. I mean, it's something like a roller coaster ride for 3 years.
Okay, and you're so happy that dad kind of didn't push you but gave you a perspective.
Absolutely, yeah.
He showed you what the plan is, but you also decided to take the plan to the next level.
Absolutely. That's what, I mean, as of now, that's what everyone should think about. Take the plan, just divert yourself from the main business a bit and, establish a huge business.
Yeah, because I whatever off the cuff conversations.
Yeah.
Your dad's so proud of you, yeah, because he kept saying that after he's come in,
Yeah,
the
of
business
course,
changed,
sure.
and he's been so amazing with the fact that he's so happy that he's got somebody holding the fort for the future. Vipulji, you started, come on, 1986.
Yes,
we're,
of
we're
course.
literally talking about tourism as a legacy player. What was your thought then, yeah? It's like, What was
No.
the business like then, and why did you stick to visas?
It was a module that I think in the visa's beginning, I realized where I was working, they wanted to become an IATA. Then another company wanted to become a big SOTC kind of a thing. They always wanted to sell their tours. I that time realized there was nobody has confident in visas. People, so many agencies were doing visas separately, but there was not remarkable thing that yes, this is a company who can serve you visas. At those years also there were players in the market, but more or less at the same time we grown together. I realize there is a hotel industry, there is a ticketing industry, there is a tour industry. Why not visa industry?
Wow.
I thought that year, those years, that there may be a chances that now people are going to Switzerland, maybe in hundreds. There may be thousands in next years or coming year,
Amazing.
and we have seen it. If you see before COVID, we were doing almost 300, 500 Switzerland visa alone in 1 month,
Wow.
April, May, June.
Okay.
So then, of course, 40 years before, I was my own. I was going using my moped to go to consulate. I used to collect document. Even Blue Dart has started similar those years only.
Okay.
I was probably the oldest customer of Blue Dart since those days, 1990s. So passport used to come from Bangalore or Mysore or Calcutta or Ahmedabad or Pune. I used to cater the visa. I used to fill up the form, do it with my own. And slowly then I started with one staff. And then last 30 years when Chinmay was growing, my responsibility for Chinmay. One fine day I asked him, Chinmay, what do you want to do? What is your goal? He was saying, I am doing visas. So of course I thought now in 2020 onward, you realize that lot of technology will come.
Yes.
So the impact of what we have seen 2000. So then I thought technology I had to build, and I am not that graduate in technologies. Chinmay, there are chances that lot of e-visas will come, and I may need you. I will need you. Rather, I may means
Oh.
even if you are inside own house, our own staff, own guy. I used to have a staff. I still have 35 people working with me.
Yes.
And then again, out of that 35 staff, I have a staff with me for last 30 years plus. One of the staff is at my age, and yet he has started career of his life with me
Oh.
35 years before.
Awesome.
He's still with me.
Uh-huh.
Chinmay bringing in him. First thing, I was also worried whether I will be paying him enough, because these days children get lot of huge packages like
Yeah.
1 million package and 100,000 package and all this. I told Chinmay, maybe I may not give you. You have to build your own, and you can do it. Those areas which I am not doing, am not expert in e-visas and all. Do it. Start. Learn. So luckily, he was little tech savvy and he has started his own. And since he has joined, I am sure we have doubled the number of visas what I was
Amazing.
doing. So the earning part, yes, I can see that he is making my profit double. So all the revenue for him. Yeah.
See how dad's like literally telling you that he needed you, and he said, "I can't pay you enough," but I think he
Yeah.
was very convinced.
Convinced. Yes.
Yeah, I
Yes.
think the main thing is he was
Yeah.
convinced. As they say, few of you who are deciding to take up the legacy business have to be very clear within कि क्यों ये career और कुछ और नहीं, you know.
Yeah,
I want to add why most of my friends' children are not joining their parents' business. Because वो parent बच्चा बोलता है यार parent का किटकिट बहुत है. He is not allowing me to grow And I told Chinmay, just get out of this box. I may not be right.
Of course.
You find your own way
Of course.
and find the fact about it. I don't want to put you in my box. You just think out of the box. In the visas alone, yes. Now and then, luckily, now he's doing Tata International, Trent Limited, and whatnot multinational companies.
Yeah.
They even don't know me. It all came with his contact and his efforts.
Yeah.
So आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जब बच्चे को हम लिबर्टी देते हैं ना, देन व्हेन वी गिव देम अ लिबर्टी, ओके आई एम रेडी टू invest money. Investments, I am never afraid that you will make mistake. If visa reject, then our brand image will impact. You may be working loose hearted. Not like that. I gave him the few words and I said, do it your own. I trust you and go ahead. So that is what I think most of the parents actually should think. अगर बच्चे को धंधे में लाना है, धंधा तो अच्छा ही है, तो उसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट रखो. ट्रस्ट हिम and give him a liberty for 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. Because I understand it may take 1000 days. I told him in the beginning, you need 1000 days to earn and get hick of the visas, and he proved it. I think almost 1000 days did over like recently last year.
Oh my God.
So he did well about this. First 3 years I always think, हमारे गुरु जी थे, उन्होंने भी सिखाया था, वेर आई वॉज वर्किंग, 1000 दिन, स्टे विथ योर बिजनेस फॉर 1000 days, वॉट एवर, ऑन अ स्मॉल बाइक और अ साइकिल और बाइसिकल, stick to it and you will buy a car one day. It's like
Awesome,
that.
yeah. No, seriously. Actually, the way you said it, that एक मैंने कहावत कहीं पढ़ी थी that that son is successful who does not flaunt his father's big car, but shows his own small car.
Correct. Yes.
And you know, it's not about the father's money, or as he said that your father said, I'm ready to make mistakes. So actually, Chinmay, my next question is so leading to this. You've seen him over the years. You were born like in Gen Z, literally.
Yeah.
What is it that you feel dad made mistakes? Let's be very candid. Everybody,
Yeah.
I argue with my parents as well, that you think could have been done better, and you're here to fix it.
So over the years, we had a very small office in the other street here, and there were so many visas. Like in a 100 square foot office, there were hundreds of passports.
Oh.
And that time he was doing Thomas Cook. Then he was coming up to Make My Trip, Yatra. So many companies he was dealing with, and it was like huge numbers, but the service fee what he used to charge was very less. According to me, that was like peanuts.
Oh.
So after when I came in, I was like, this is not done. What we are doing cannot be charged so less. So if you think about, I mean, still till 2018, I believe a Schengen visa, he would be charging something like 350 or 400 or 500. I have started charging 5,000 rupees, and
Wow.
people are paying
Oh,
because
wow. Okay.
that's the expertise.
Okay.
I'm like, you're standing with a person who has a 30-year experience and you're paying him 500 rupees. That's not fair.
Yeah.
So,
Isn't he?
Yeah,
good?
correct.
I
Of
like
course,
that.
of course.
so
It's a line that he drew. A MD doctor cannot be charging at MBBS. So he taught me that, yeah, dad,
Absolutely.
you are a MD.
Yeah.
So you must not be that go cheap,
Yeah, you're still an MBBS, but he's an MD for sure.
Yeah.
yeah, of course. Yeah, please go ahead, Chinmay.
because with the new generation, people are ready to pay, but they need their things to be done in a very, streamlined way, which he was doing it, but he was not getting. And to the current gen also, why the travel industry is not growing? Because of this, people want to compare the hotel rates, people want to compare the ticket rates, but you need to find that niche people who are ready to pay that amount. Like if you see, there are certain companies still who like specialize in Maldives, specialize in adventure tourism,
Yes.
and a very niche.
Yes.
Even to plan your tour, they'll charge you before they speak to you.
Oh, I think that's
Yeah.
so important, Chinmay.
That is very important.
Consultancy fee or
Yeah.
management fee is like
Yes.
the given, yeah.
Yeah.
I hope and I pray industry does this, yeah.
It is very important. So
Yeah.
I myself am getting that into the industry. That's what I'm
Awesome.
already getting into the industry.
Please, we've been talking. I mean, I remember in my reports and my journalistic stories from 2001, we've been saying management fee charge.
Yeah.
But I don't know, this industry is taking time, a little time to get that.
Yeah, actually, it's taking
It's
time.
like I used to see him.
Hmm.
He used to have his own office here, and people used to come to him to draft. You know, he was a very specialized in all of the visas. When visas get rejected,
Yeah.
he used to draft letters,
Oh.
and there was no fees he used to charge.
Oh my God! But that's the base.
Yeah.
Yeah.
उस पे तो वीजा मिलती है.
No, but then it was like, a manner that, okay, yeah, you are in trouble, tera visa reject ho gaya, do this way. They used to come and ask. But I was never a doctor that, boss, you have to pay 500 rupees before you exit my clinic. So then later Chinmay thought, and now people started understanding also. Free का advice अभी भी होता है, it's not that no.
Of course, but yeah.
But not that we are into practice to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Because if you have learned it, for you have spent your life and blood into visas,
Totally, sir.
so it must be paying me.
Yeah.
Somewhere you need to draw a line.
Yeah.
Like I get so many clients in the whole day come to me for some visas, some rejection cases, some other things, but if you just help them, ये लिस्ट तो मेरे को ऑनलाइन भी मिल जाएगा, आप क्या स्पेशल करेंगे? So there is something when clients come in and they find themselves in a list that this list is available online. What's special that you can do? The drafting the letters and all of those things are very important.
Yeah.
So, but obviously when they come in, they don't pay. They take all the information from you and go. So that I changed in the office because that was very important.
You don't know what you're doing, Chinmay. You're actually being a game changer. And that's something I was looking for in especially young minds like you. Okay, boss, if I'm doing something and it's worth it, excuse me, please pay my fees.
Absolutely.
It's respectful. Yeah, of course. I mean, as they say, even if you ask a rupee, as they call it now, it's this very happening word called energy exchange.
Yes.
It's like,
Very.
Yeah.
it's energy
Yeah.
exchange.
Truly said.
It's like that way. Chinmay, you're setting the ball rolling, literally, and especially in a niche business like visas. It's, mentally, it needs a lot of inner courage, I think, to believe in something like this. Because it's not just a very fancy tour operating, and no business is fancy, but visas is extremely hardcore. You need to work with governments, policies keep changing, business modules, economy changes. As you said, Sri Lanka literally went into a crisis, again rule changed. How are you ready to keep abreast with this change? How much of research goes into it?
So, with there's a lot of research which goes into it. So I dedicate my time from 9 to 10 in the night to understand various policies changes which have come into the market.
Exactly, I really wanted to hear this.
So that is the time when I have some free time. I'm done with dinner
Yeah,
and I spend just 1 hour
yeah,
to find out what's new.
right.
And moreover, nowadays, even in the travel industry, like I cater to Bombay agents also. So, lot of people seek my help in this because there is nobody who is like a visa guy.
Mm-hmm.
So, in fact, in my Instagram account also in the description it's written the visa guy.
Oh,
So,
amazing.
yeah,
okay,
because-
you have a catch line and
Yeah.
tagline. Okay.
Because I it's not only me. I cater to so many. I feel that the whole industry, I cater to everyone.
Yeah. Right.
The policy changes and all those changes which I want to help everyone. So even if you see the WhatsApp groups, you'll see a lot of my messages stating about the new changes which is come into the
So I don't look at them so much, but
Yeah.
henceforth, if it's coming from Chinmay, I know who it is now.
yeah.
So amazing. Yes, I get this. Chinmay, I get this. Vipulji, you had told me in the sidelines that yes, competition once was threatening for you. What do you want to tell the generation like him? What did you do to have that strength in you to say, "Isko bhi main paar kar lunga"?
Yes, I'll tell you the experience. Like Shenzhen when came, once upon a time we used to do 5 different visas. Italy, Swiss, Germany, France. 4 visas means 4 service charge. Now it is 1 Shenzhen visa. So those when Shenzhen came, I was bit upset. यार अभी क्या होगा, 4 का 1 ही हो गया. My service charge remained single only. But eventually, I realized that I used to do 100 visas. Now I am doing 500 visas. So instead, the number of people have grown big.
Oh wow.
Number of
Okay.
person have traveling are huge. And this is like I am telling this youth, especially my team and Chinmay, he is a team leader, he is a designated in my office. So that this will be never ending story. Maybe India will have one day all the countries visa on arrival. But yes, there is something is needed somewhere. Lot of countries still we have to go another 10 years, 20 years. There people will need e-visas at least. Even Shenzhen may come into e-visas, but it is not necessary that you will do your visa on your own. You will need a prescription from us. Ke yaar, Vipul, you are expert in your journalism. You have no time for your own visas. You will tell the companies like us, go ahead, Vipul, you have to do my visas.
Yeah.
All right, take your service charge and complete my file.
Sure.
So you need everyone. I have seen young generations doing their visas their own, they're ticketing their own. One fine in the evening they called, यार my wife did a mistake, हमारा वीज़ा रिजेक्ट हो गया, हमने टिकट ले लिया लेकिन हमको वीज़ा के बारे में पता नहीं है. So even you need a travel agency somewhere in the down the line. So I'm telling these boys that grow and be with the world, with the current scenario of even Russia's, even Ukraine, even Israel visas. We used to do a lot of Israel visas. Now with current situation of war, people are not going.
Right.
Fine, but one day it will reopen.
Right. Absolutely.
And when reopens, it will boost. Bangladesh recent situation, visas are shut, people will not fly.
Correct.
But doesn't mean I am losing maybe 50 Bangladesh visas in a month. But it's always happen. It circle around.
Yeah. It's a cycle of life.
Yeah.
I guess it comes and goes.
When Bangladesh is, the business will go down, maybe the Indonesia will
Pick
boost or Vietnam. We have never heard about Vietnam 10 years before. And post COVID, thousands and 100,000 people went to Vietnam with the visa, e-visas. And out of that, how many must we have done? Our share we get.
Amazing.
So it is, the game changing is like that. That never get upset. Don't think that visa will finish one with this Indian passport will have lot of weightage that people will not need the visa. I don't see that. Or if that comes, yes, we are ready for diversification. We are into visas,
Amazing.
but then we come into other things like hotels or like other things. But we have decided to be with the travel business.
That is like, thank you for this, because it's a very rare thing. Like, people who we've spoken to and who've been on our series, our main criteria is, do you have your 100% faith in the travel business? And that's why
Yeah,
you
that's
are,
we have.
Oh,
We have. Now
alright.
there is no backstep. I mean, we have to move forward.
Amazing.
And yes, he's still young.
Of course, he's
At
young.
his age, I was doing my मैं M80 में जाता था visa करने. Now he's taking his car and a driver and a lot of visas. He has got his own team to work with him.
Superb, yeah. So Chinmay, Dad's spoken his heart out, he's spoken his vision, and most importantly, said कुछ भी करके travel trade छोड़ना नहीं है. Diversification करेंगे, कुछ भी करेंगे. Where is your vision and where's your mapping for the next maybe 10 years?
Next 10 years, see, my vision would be to get into the customer market, because that's where the revenue is more.
The customer market.
Yeah,
B2C. you mean to
B2C.
say, yeah.
because that's where the revenue is more.
Right.
B2B, of course, will cater to everybody, but they will always have a niche. I mean, they'll have their own cuts.
Sure.
But obviously, B2B is also huge. I wish that all the travel agents grow tenfold. In fact, I always wish all the travel agents selling tickets and tours go tenfold, so that my business grows tenfold.
Awesome.
Because those who do visas, I mean, most of the travel agents do visas with us. So that's one thing. And the customer market is very important to grow, because I mean, that's where the revenue is more. That's where you can charge a huge, I mean, you can increase the revenue of your company.
Right. Right.
And obviously there are a lot of MICE companies which are coming into the picture. That's also a huge market
Yes, they just want to offload
The mice,
everything.
yeah,
yeah.
They don't want to get into the
But I'll
Yeah.
tell,
Protocol.
I'll interrupt in here one thing. We don't charge huge. I told my son that there is always a limit. If you are expert, doesn't mean that you charge a bomb.
Yeah.
That सामने वाले, then they will not repeat the customer. They will do their work, but they said, no, you can't, this is too expensive. It's not like that. Be reasonable with the market rate, be with the trend of the market. Even if you are a surgeon, you still have to follow the current situation, where in like Mumbai market is different or Gujarat market is different. So we don't, I tell him, do not bomb that people should not feel, it should not pinch. अरे 10,000 तो बहुत होता है, yes, of course बहुत होता है, but then don't go for that big house.
Yeah.
Yes, in the market, if it is people are, when he is talking about B2C, although 80% of my growth is always B2B, but yes, there are a lot of, since we are agents, authorized agent by Singapore consulate, so consulate has given us that understanding that you cannot say no to anyone because you are authorized. Even single person comes, you have to cater one visa, or you cater 100 visas, or you cater a group of 1,000 visas. We have to cater. So we cannot say no to B2C because it is a consular obligations that we cannot say no.
Amazing.
They have given us the authority like registered agent.
Amazing.
So we have to cater everyone. So 80% still B2B, but 20% B2C we still have to cater. And of course, with this, there will be a difference of rates. B2B, they are our backbones and industry common things. So and B2C is when they come once in a year or twice in a year.
I like this balance. You're telling dad charge more, and you've been successful in doing that, and I think that's important. Management fee, consultancy fee, super important. Dad at the other side is bringing that balance, saying, of course, do that, but itna karna ki over nahi jaye.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's this amazing mix of
Yeah.
the son saying something, the father saying something, and you get the middle way.
Yeah.
I think
Truly said. Yeah.
that's amazing.
See, he is a good listener. What I have eventually not taught him anything, but he has seen me how I was
Picking up.
dealing with
Yeah.
customer.
Yes.
He has seen
He's
way
seen
I used
on
to
the
take
job,
him.
as they say.
And in fact, after he became with Wipro for 2 years, I have started learning from him.
Oh, awesome. So that's what I'm saying. I see this amazing learning
Yeah.
game happening between
Yeah.
both of you.
Yes.
आप इनसे सीख रहे हैं, ये आपसे सीख रहे हैं.
Correct.
Dad has given you so much compliments with Chinmay. He has told you that you're a good listener. You're thinking out of the box. He's giving you that strength and courage where he said parents should let them grow. What is that one thing you want to tell about your dad that you seriously admire?
I think the one thing that I feel is that he stuck to this industry. He stuck to this business of, whenever the fall of Schengen came in, the visa business was moved to VFS in some 2001, and a lot of then e-visas came in. Obviously, e-visas are not new. They did came. I mean, there were fewer e-visas last 10 years ago, but there are still more. But he did not think that it's we cannot improve. Even with the staff, he did those e-visas. He managed to sit there. Basically, he always told me, just sit into your business for 1,000 days, then see it if you want to really do it.
हाँ तो कहावत ही है ना
हाँ,
100 दिन
हाँ,
बिजनेस के
हाँ,
तो एक
yeah.
कहावत है and वो कहावत I think बहुत सारे
Yeah.
thought process से it's
Correct,
not
बना
like
है,
somebody
yeah,
said
yeah.
1,000 days ऐसे ही.
Hmm.
It's like so
Experience
true.
thought process.
Experience thought process and the you know what Vipulji I've liked about you is you're so open to learning at your level, at your experience. 1986 you started the
Yeah.
business. You're still ready to learn, yeah. From your child, from anyone. I think that's your take home.
I will, yeah, truly you said. Even now, I think day before yesterday, we are moving into new office. And yeah,
तो हमको
we
वहाँ
already,
बुला लेते.
yeah, no, it will take some another
I'm just
6 months
joking, I'm
to,
just joking.
it's recently bought.
Congratulations.
But thanks. I told my staff, for technology, never repay that, यार मेरे को कलर प्रिंटर चाहिए महंगा हो जाएगा बॉस विल से एनीथिंग फॉर टेक्नोलॉजी डोंट डिप्राइव कि ये पैसा परवड़ेगा कि नहीं डू इट बिकॉज यू हैव एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू that there is no other way than you adapt this camera or anything and
Yeah.
when you are talking
Yeah.
that iPhone or
Yeah.
maybe laptop technology has to be adapted in any business
So
Otherwise,
true,
you
sir.
cannot survive.
So true, sir.
And I told my staff, you have to learn.
Huh.
My staff, which is 30 years with me, he is only 12th. I was I was telling him to join, and we were encouraging. We were paying fees for their classes, computer classes, learning technologies. Do this, do that. Automations, a lot of billing automations or whatever. A lot of things are involved in one visa.
Yes, sir.
So,
So when
I
I-
only think
I-
is that never be away from technology. Please accept and adopt it.
So this is what he was always telling me about being tech. He was very technology driven. When I came into the business, it's a one fun story that when I was just observing all these guys. How do they work? They were like passports are coming in, and then people are calling. There are thousands of calls from various agencies. He caters to 300 travel agents all over India.
Awesome.
So people used to call. मेरा पासपोर्ट आया क्या अभी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है ये क्या है वो क्या है thousands of calls in a day. I'm like, this is all nonsense. I mean, how are you? I mean, it's so
Yeah.
tedious.
Yeah.
मैंने इनको बोला मुझे 5 लाख रुपया चाहिए. I took that 5 lakh rupees, and now our whole office system is driven. Any passport which comes in, we will feed the data. There's a person who sits, he'll feed the data in the system, and an auto mail will reach the person who has
हाँ.
sent the passport.
Awesome, yeah. हाँ.
और वो हर स्टेज पे मेल जाएगा.
Hmm.
If there's a requirement, then the mail will shoot. If they are good for submission, the mail will shoot. If they're submitted, the mail will shoot. Even till the end, till it's dispatched
To the last
with the
mile, as they
airmobile
say.
number.
Hmm.
People were very happy. Okay, we are safe with you
In,
guys now.
in safe hands. I
Yeah.
would feel safe.
Yeah.
कि बाबा एक
Yeah.
प्रोटोकॉल है
Yeah.
कि मैं कहीं नहीं गलत जा रही हूँ because visa is
Yeah.
till whatever it is till
Whatever
the
it
last minute
सही है.
your
actually.
entire travel depends on that.
So he never said no to me. He
Yeah.
said मैंने बोला कि मेरे को ये पैसा चाहिए क्योंकि ये आप सब गलत कर रहे हो हम सही कर देंगे.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my god. Oh
And
my
as
god.
I told you, I will never back up with technology or investment in technology.
Yeah. It's your
That is
it's your-
what how even
your
Mufi we used to exchange our ideas because he's good in technology
Oh, Mufi is
master.
fabulous.
Yeah, Excel
Yeah.
software.
Yeah.
We were having some dialogues about my company technology driving. So it was in the middle of the way, but yeah. So me and Mufi also in the same wavelength के इसके बिना नहीं होगा.
Hmm.
You want to grow,
Hmm.
you have to bring the technology in any damn business.
Absolutely, yeah, and just the fact that it helps you connect, and you have to use it for your advantage,
Yeah.
as they said, it's for your advantage. Yeah, I know it's been very heartwarming because I've seen this chemistry, as they call it, and visa is a tough business, gentlemen, both of you, and you are sticking to it, encouraging him, pushing him, he's pushing you. I think this balance has been fabulous. Thank you for speaking to us, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much, sir. I mean,
Thank
it's
you. I'll
been-
tell you, it is really good that somebody has brought together in an event. We both sitting next to next, but पूरा दिन में हमको एक दूसरे से बात भी नहीं होता है. Sometimes it happen like that.
अरे
Yeah.
नहीं मैं बस
Yeah.
I'm just happy, and as you mentioned, Mufi, thanks to
Yeah.
him, Excel Software
Yeah, of course.
Consultancy.
Yeah, really
they
thanks
have
to
really
him.
supported this series of mine
Yeah.
called Remarkable with the young minds, most importantly.
Yeah.
And Mufi only told me this, Rima, I so believe in the young blood of our industry, and I want to encourage them.
Really true. Absolutely correct.
So
I'll tell the people that even the young people who may be watching in future,
yes,
just think about your father's business. If he is established at one age, at the age of 50, the senior person as a father may need somebody from Ghar Ka Aadmi to run the show for another 50 or 30 years. And all the managerial cannot do that because
Ekdam
managerial will come for that payment part. And here, तेजी मंदी में भी अपना घर का साथ रहता है and together we can win the show.
beautiful.
Yeah.
On this amazing and most positive note, Vipul Bhai just said, together we can win the show. And
Yeah.
literally, the show is the entire plethora of this beautiful industry called travel tourism, this trade. They believe in it, they're here for it, and he's saying, इसके आगे हम diversify करेंगे, पर ये industry को छोड़ के नहीं जाएंगे.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chinmay, good luck to you. You have dreams, and we all hope you fulfill them. Your dad's given you a platform to grow. I think you're going to take the platform to the next level now. And, you know, I wanna
Absolutely.
say- yeah, super. Vipulji, thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
And
Yeah.
thank you, audience. And I hope these entire episodes are a sense of learning for everyone. Namaste and God bless.